Hi there. I just arrived from Baguio, the summer capital of the Philippines, which is very cold right now. I refused to wear a jacket, especially at night, so I ended up catching cough and colds. But don't worry. My mom got a powerful natural concoction for me to get healed without side effects. Here you are. We simply boiled ginger and monk fruit, also known as lohan ho in Chinese, which have both powerful anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants. Ginger contains phenol and gingerol, while monk fruit we used as sweetener instead of sugar contains mongrosides. So I'm gonna drink my natural medicine now.